Hi there, new friend. Oh, Shadow. Come join me in an adventure today. What should we do on our adventure? I was thinking of going to the park, maybe hanging out with Catnap, my brother, or something else. What do you think? You know, I'm not even part of the Smiling Critters. I was the first critter to be made before Poppy, or any other critters. Made before the company was even born. Can you believe that? You need to get out. This place isn't as I remember. All my friends, Catnap, they changed. You have to get out now. I hear him. I hear him coming. I hear his footsteps. What has he done? I need to get my revenge for all my friends. Catnap.
You left us to die.